Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to search people on LinkedIn in 2025. Whether you're job hunting, networking, or just reconnecting with old contacts, LinkedIn's updated features make it easier than ever. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top of the page. It's your gateway to millions of professionals. Simply type in the person's name, job title, company, or any relevant keyword. For example, if you're searching for a marketing expert in New York, start with that. Now, in 2025, LinkedIn has rolled out some cool AI-powered enhancements to make your searches smarter. After entering your query, click on the filter icon that appears below the search bar. Here, you can narrow down results by location, industry, current company, education, or even mutual connections. This helps you find exactly who you're looking for without sifting through irrelevant profiles. Let me break it down step by step. 1. Enter your search term in the bar and hit enter. 2. Select the People tab to focus on individual profiles. 3. Apply filters like Location or Connections for precision. 4. Scroll through the results and preview profiles before diving in. 1 pro tip. Use specific keywords and phrases to get better matches. Think software engineer at Google instead of just engineer. Also, if you're on the mobile app, the interface is even more intuitive with voice search options. Once you've found the right person, don't forget to send a personalized connection request. Mention how you found them or why you'd like to connect to increase your chances of acceptance. There you have it. Searching on LinkedIn in 2025 is straightforward and powerful. Give it a try and level up your networking game. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.